picking up mommy, then off to Ikea. Let's go. Ikea, literally here for her arts and crafts stuff. Ikea is like a maze, man. I don't know who enjoys walking around a maze, but not me.
Projects. Le projet.
I've never seen Ikea this empty.
I know.
I like it.
That's like 100 people here.
Yeah. I like it.
It seems like there's only like
A few people.
10.
Yeah.
These are like 50.
Yeah. So we're here for her Cricut printing stuff. Test driving, not test driving. Testing few things.
So is project 2 or project 1? Depends if it counts yesterday as project 1. So
Oh, look, another chair over there.
yes.
Anyway, just bought a few things for her to test out, right?
Yeah.
We'll see how this goes. Damn.
You guys vlogging?
Yeah.
Where's it going on YouTube?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
Oh, wait,
No.
no.
Alright, no problem. Thanks, have a good night.
You're welcome. We're going to find a YouTube video.
We're tied to this.
Rios
Give you guys some
family.
views.
Rios family adventure.
Real family adventure.
Yeah.
Just put Rios family.
Thank you. What are we gonna eat?
It's just Rio's family actually.
Just Rios family. I don't like it.
I always like putting a bunch of